Hi guys, I'm Hasa with WTI and I love making easy but delicious snacks. And that's why today I want to show you all the cool snacks that I can make with just one pack of these Aviva crackers that have always been in my pantry and I love so much. These are the Aviva Soda Crackers and they are so versatile because you can literally eat them with anything that you have in your fridge or pantry. I personally love eating these with canned tuna or spread some jam on top. It can either serve as dessert in case you don't have anything else for dessert. You can make your own, or a snack if you get hungry before dinner time or midday. And something I really like about these is that they're really crunchy and they feel so fresh. And these ones are individually packed, so they never go stale. You can even put them in the fridge and they will still stay fresh and crunchy as they were right when you open the pack. I also eat these when I'm drinking my coffee or when I am eating soup. They're just great for anything. You're gonna enjoy eating these. So if you guys are looking to have an easy to make snack, but still keep it delicious and simple, well, these ones will save your life. I used to take them to work when I was a university teacher. And whenever I got hungry before lunchtime, I would just go and take a break, walk around and grab one of these crackers. It really helped when I was starving. So I really hope that it can do the same for you. And that's my point of view.